When you're logged into Adobe Spark, you have access to the Classroom Manager, your teacher dashboard to help you manage your classrooms and your students. Here, you can also add additional classrooms. Just hit the plus sign on Create New Classroom. Then enter in the class name, subject, grade, and period. Next, hit Create Classroom to generate a new class code, which you can share with the students you want to access that class. In Classroom Manager, you can create as many classrooms as you need. When you hit Classrooms on the left sidebar, you will see all the classrooms you have created. Once you're done setting up a class and sharing the class code with students, you're able to see which students have joined the class and review and share their work. Click on the student name or ... to see View Projects. From the View Projects section, click Load More at the bottom to see more student projects. As a teacher, you can view and delete projects. For example, if that student has created a project that's inappropriate, like a meme for example, you can click on the project in question and either view the project to investigate further or go ahead and hit delete. You'll need to confirm that you want to delete the project. And you may also want to let the student know that you've deleted the project and why you felt you needed to. Students can also invite teachers and students to projects as collaborators, so they can work together on a project. And there you have it. Now you know how to use your Adobe Spark Classroom Manager, how to add students to new classrooms, create new classrooms, and view student work. To get started teaching with Spark in your classroom, the Adobe Education Exchange has additional curriculum and resources you might find useful. Go to edx.adobe.com to get started.